Hello friends, in the previous video you learned how to do reconnaissance, how to gather information about your target. In this video you will learn how to do scanning. So first of all, an attacker gathers information about his target using footprinting techniques. But all the information cannot be found or discovered using reconnaissance. For gathering further information, you need to do scanning. So in this video you will learn about scanning. So what is scanning? Scanning is finding out which softwares and services are running on the target system. For example, the operating system, open ports and vulnerabilities in the target system. There are three types of scanning. First one is network scanning. In this scanning, you try to find out the number of live hosts in the network. Then second type of scanning is called port scanning. Once you choose your target system, then you try to find out the number of open ports. And in the next step, when you have found some open ports, you try to find vulnerabilities in that particular system. Consider a scenario where an attacker discovers an open port on the target system. In the next step, he will try to identify software or services running on that open port and its version. This is very easy for him because 0 to 124 ports are well-known ports. Then he will try to gain complete knowledge about that service or software. If an exploit of that particular service or software is already available in the market, then he will use that vulnerability or that software to take control of the target system. If he doesn't find any vulnerability, he will try any other open port and service. So these are the steps involved in scanning. First of all, you find the live host, then you find the services and open ports. In step 3 you find the vulnerabilities, and in step 4 you draw a diagram of the network. This step 4 is optional, and these are the tools which are used in scanning. So first of all, we will try to find the number of live hosts in the network, and for this purpose we will use Nmap. So first of all, let me show you the help menu of Nmap tool. Nmap tool is a network mapper tool. So this is the help menu of Nmap. You can see these various options. So the option we are going to use in this tutorial is this -SN, which is a ping scan for host discovery. So let me open another tab here. So let's type nmap -SN and then 192.168.1.sterix. So either you can use this sterix to scan all the IPs in the network, or you can simply provide a range from 1 to 125. So I will use a sterix. Now press enter. Now Nmap will give you the list of live hosts in the network. So as you can see, these are the live hosts in my network. You can also use, instead of using this hyphen SN, you can also use hyphen small s and capital P. You will get the same result. So let me show you. So you can use either any one of these options in your nmap command to discover the number of live hosts in the network. Okay, so let me clear the terminal. The next tool I am going to show you is hping3. So you just type hping3. Let me show you first its help menu. So this is the help menu of hping3 tool, and these are the options you can use in your command. But today in this video we are going to use this option, which is, you can use either -1 or $ICMP for checking if a particular system is live or not. And let's use this -1 in our command. So if I type, let me first type sudo, then type hping3, then -1, and then the IP address or name of my target host. So I want to check if 192.168.1.3 the system having this IP is live or not. So then just press enter and let me enter my command. As you can see, I am getting a ping response from this host, so it means this particular system is live. Let me press Ctrl C to cancel this command. Now if I want to check if system having IP 192.168.1.4 is live or not. So just press enter. Now as you can see, I am not getting any ping response. So it means this particular, the system having this IP is not online. Either the system is not connected to the internet or the system is shut down. So this is how you can use this hping3 and nmap tool to discover the number of live hosts in a network, which is the first step of scanning. Now let me show you another tool. Let me show you a Windows tool to discover the number of live hosts in a network. So let me start Windows XP. So as you can see, Windows XP is starting. Sorry guys, I should have started this Windows XP already, but that's okay, it won't take time. So the next tool I'm going to show you is Angry IP Scanner. You can use this tool to discover the number of live hosts in a particular network. So in the footprinting videos I have already showed you I have already demonstrated how to use this Angry IP tool, but let me show you it again. So all you have to do is enter the IP range here, starting IP and the end IP. So I will use this 192.168.1.1. I want to scan the IPs from 192.168.1.1 to 255 this, and just so this is the starting IP and this is the last IP of the network. So I will just press start. So Angry IP tool will scan the whole network. Basically it will do a ping scan in the whole network to find out the number of live hosts. As you can see, the systems shown in blue are live systems and the systems shown in red are not live. So this is how you can use Angry IP scanner tool to discover the number of live hosts in the network. You can also use advanced IP scanner and Zenmap to do the same thing. So as I have already showed you how to use Nmap in Kali Linux, that's why I haven't demonstrated how to use Nmap here, but that is, believe me, very simple to use. So that's all for this video. See you in the next.